Hi and welcome everyone. Lisa here for Whimsy Stamps, bringing you another product reveal with the Polka Dot Pals Nour 4x6 clear stamp set. So to give you an idea of the size of these images, he's measuring 1.5 inches wide at the widest point by about 4 inches high. You're going to get the milk can, the goat, the little tin can, the bale, and of course the facial features with this stamp set. So you can check out all of his pals on the Whimsy Stamps website. Plus, check out the digital backgrounds that you can purchase to go along with your polka dot pals. So we're going to stamp these out onto Copic Express blended cardstock with some Memento Tuxedo black ink. Now I do have a sample that I want to share with you because I paired him with some products from the Whimsy Stamps store that you may already have on hand. And I wanted you to see how you could use some previously released products with this new product. So here I used the Mini Cloud background cling rubber stamp, along with the Kinetic Curved Heels die set, which is the little picket fence back there, and the slimline bunting borders to create this fun Hey Kid card. So perfect for birthdays, congratulations, encouragement, whatever you need. These little guys are amazing. Let me know what you think about him in the comments below. Everything is linked in the description box for you. And as always, please know how much we appreciate you. And until next time, take care.